Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little to Lily, and I am here to do another Not Too Shabby Design Team project for the mid-June release. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. If you've been on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love elephants. So that was like, yay, it's so cute. So let's show you the products for the mid-June release, and go check out the Not Too Shabby shop. Also, I have my tutorial for my process of the corner card that I did, so I'll put that up here in an iCard somewhere and in the description box below. So the products that we have are dots for summer, so you have these fabulously bright colors, and then you have smaller dots on the other side. You get 24 sheets, 6 by 6, and you have 2 of each design, so that's so fabulous. And if you've been on my channel, you also know that I love polka dots. So then we have the little elephants. Oh my gosh, how cute are they? They were so adorable. I'm like, ah! And you can see it's ink, ink, ink. So I stamped them out and I did a bunch of coloring. I've made 4 cards now, I think, and I used a ton of elephants, and I still have some left over that I colored because I loved it so much. Then there was also this stamp set. You got this little beach scene with your little coconut drink and a little sun, and then your little sentiments. So I thought this was way too stinking cute. Loved it. So let me show you what I made. I used a 2 sets of layering dies. And so you could do this process with any kind of layering dies that you have. And I thought this was so fun because it was like the perfect little size. It just fits in the palm of your hand. It's so cute. And so what you do is, I've done this kind of card before. You take it and you put it over the fold to create your base. Then you cut another one that's full size, and then you have your shaped card. I use the next layer down to create the background. And I love this blue because it just reminds me of like a summertime at the beach. I also use this stamp set, which is from Little Darlings that I purchased from the Not Too Shabby shop. And then you can see the little elephants. They're so cute. So adorable. So yeah, so the little building in the clouds and the air balloon are from the Not Too Shabby shop as well. Little Darlings brand. So I put that on there and I popped it up on some foam. And so you have the one in the front. He's got his little ice cream. So it's just like they got a little day at the beach on the boardwalk. And then on the inside, it's just another one of those paper layers. And then wherever you would put your sentiment, whatever you want to put there. So I made that one. It's adorable. I just want to hang that one up on my wall somewhere. Even though I have no space. So then I used a card blank, because I have several card blanks, and it's a 6 by 6. So I cut down the paper, and it just looks so summery. Once again, I used that balloon from Little Darlings, which I purchased from the Not Too Shabby shop, and then I used that stamp from the Not Too Shabby shop and some more elephants. Look at that, they're so cute. And so how I did this, I took that die here, and then I took the center die, I stamped my image, cut it out with the big die, then used the center die to cut that piece out, and then you can prop it up, and it just makes it look cool. And then have my little elephants. I put him on foam dot so he'd be at the same level. This is Enjoy Life. And on the inside, I put a balloon with the little mouse in this little thing here, another one of the dots for summer, and then you would have your message right there. So these were just too cute, and I had so much fun playing with them. So yeah, I think this one's gonna go on my wall somewhere because I just like it. It's so adorable. It's like, all right, thanks for watching. Go check out the other ladies that have done design team projects. Go check out the shop, and oh my gosh, wait till you see it tomorrow. Tomorrow is a sneak peek. A sneak peek of what's to come for the July box. You are going to love it. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.